Hi guys, my name is Don. As you guys, some of them already know me. Today I'm gonna make a fresh fruit smoothie. You guys see that? There's a watermelon. I get kind of half of watermelon and few strawberries, half of avocado, parsley, coriander, lemon juice and yogurt, but this is flavored, but you can use any yogurt. I prefer Greek yogurt. And I got a secret ingredients for that. That is a salt, pinch of salt up here. So I'm gonna show that how to do it. Very easy, nice, and if you have one for at the beginning of the day, you will over the moon. Trust me that. So first of all, I'm gonna put the watermelon, nice and easy, and some strawberry, and some avocado. Some avocado. And a bunch of parsley, and I'm gonna put some coriander. As I said, the secret ingredient. I'm gonna grab it now, put it up there. It's gonna different if you put a pinch of salt. Trust. So I'm gonna do a yogurt. It's like 100 grams of yogurt. I'm gonna put all of them. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is half a lemon. It gives you a citrus flavor. And so I'm gonna cover it up nice and tight. And I'm gonna use my magic bullet. There we go. So leave it for a couple of minutes. Once it's done, you're gonna stop it all. So I'm gonna get it out now and give a little bit of shake. And if you want to add some nuts, if you want to add some pumpkin seeds, it's up to you guys. If you want to put a little bit of milk, it's up to you guys. If you put milk, it's gonna be nice and smooth, but I don't put in milk.
This is the perfect thickness I want. As you can see, it's how dripping out from the cup. That's awesome.
There you go. And I'm gonna put a little bit of garnish on it.
Whoever need a fresh start for the day, this is the perfect drink. It gives you energy, vitamins, mineral which you need for the day. I just want to let you know guys, this is the yogurt based fresh fruit juice.
So freshening up. Trust me guys, you will love this. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please do subscribe me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. And my name is Don. See you guys with another different video. Thank you.